Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WebM files in Premiere Pro. Unfortunately, Premiere Pro does not natively support WebM files, meaning you cannot directly import them into your projects. The only way to successfully incorporate WebM content is through a conversion process. This ensures compatibility and allows for seamless editing within your workflow. Since direct import isn't possible, the essential step is to convert your WebM files. You'll need to transform them into a format that Premiere Pro understands, such as MP4, MOV, or AVI. MP4, specifically with the H.264 codec, is widely recommended for its balance of quality and file size. This conversion makes your video editable. When choosing a video converter, look for one known for maintaining video quality. During conversion, select a high-quality output preset. It's also crucial to match the original WebM file's frame rate and resolution as closely as possible. This helps prevent any visual discrepancies or loss of detail once imported into Premiere Pro. Once your WebM file has been successfully converted to a compatible format, the final step is straightforward. Simply open Premiere Pro and import the newly converted file. You can easily drag and drop it into your project panel or use the import menu. Now, your video is ready for all your creative editing within Premiere Pro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.